After the destruction of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, 54% of the American people wanted to have a world government that controlled the existing nuclear weapons.
The question you raise with Americans is not world government. What you say instead is WCN. Whatever comes next. Do you think Pax Americana is going to last for 1,000,000 years?
I think the moment that's most interesting here is when Pakistan unilaterally raises its hand and said, someone else take care of our nukes, we have other problems that are bigger.
It's been 70 years since we've seen nuclear weapons used, and I think that people might have forgotten really what nuclear weapons are. Obviously, any use would really highlight that nuclear weapons are not magic. They're just filthy, horrible radiological bombs.
If we get rid of nuclear weapons, we have to replace the miracle that they brought, and that is 70 years without a general war.
There might never be this big ceremony where the UK and US and Russia all sign their treaties and finally let go. It's just that suddenly, we have other things to do.
Catastrophe is not inevitable, and that there are different ways to avoid it. So I am optimistic. I don't think that we're doomed.
Nothing's impossible. It's just really, really hard.